Hey, welcome besties. So today I'm going to show you the one ingredients that I use to boost my hair growth. If this is your very first time, you're welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber as usual, hey. So today we're going to use the most effective hair booster, and that is some fresh guava leaves. Now this is a guava leaf I have been soaking in water for the past 2 days. Not necessarily for any, reaction, but I just soaked it in to clean it up. So what we're going to do is we're going to put that in water. As you can see, I'm rinsing it all out, and then I'm going to pour it back into the pan. I'm going to add my personal favorite, that is the hemp. You can see that dissolving in there. And the last ingredient for today is rosemary. These are dry leaves rosemary. You can use the fresh ones, but this is what's available in my location. So I'm going to stir it all up and put that on fire. You can put as much water as you need, but I just put just a little bit. Look at that combination, guys. It's just beautiful. So beautiful. Okay, so let's light it up. Oh, look at that. I like what is going on here. So guys, you don't want to leave it to boil for too long. And what I did was I left it in the pot for 1 day so it can gently cool down and extract all the good stuff from the leaf and herbs. So this is after 1 day on the fire. I am using this jar and a sieve to strain the water. Now the hemp cannabis contains vitamins that helps protect your hair from excessive dryness, which leads to damaging your hair. Now the rosemary also stimulates the scalp, prevents baldness, and aids in hair growth. It also slows grayness in your hair and reduces dandruff. So now that I have all the good stuffs in one place, look at that in there, it looks so beautiful. I am going to section my hair, but first of all I'm also going to show you my organic shea butter mixed with coconut oil. It hasn't solidified yet. So the vitamin C content in this guava leaf can improve collagen activity, aiding in hair growth. It also acts as an antioxidant that helps to neutralize the free radicals and prevent your hair from environmental damage. So it nourishes the scalp and makes the roots stronger, promoting soft and silky hair. You can imagine all the good stuffs in that bottle. So I like to spray it in my hair after I session it, and then I go ahead and put in a little bit of the shea butter and coconut oil. Try and massage that all in. As you can see, I am trying to beat time because my natural source of light was the sunlight, so trying hard to finish up before the sun comes down. Okay, oh my god, I look good. Now this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for coming back. To all my returning subscribers, and for the new ones, you are welcome. Hit the subscribe button, make my day, guys. Thank you, and until then, see you next time.